nature's Starlight Starbright flashlight. Max. Max, we don't want to be late for the fireworks. We're supposed to be at Grandma's by now. I see you, Max. That's my Starlight Starbright flashlight. Fireflies. You can look for bugs anytime, Max. But if we don't go to Grandma's now, we'll be too late.
There you are.
Grandma!
I was wondering why you hadn't come over. The fireworks are about to start.
It took longer to get ready than we thought it would. But look at all the gear we remembered to bring. Tasty snacks and water to drink. And a flashlight to see by. And a comfy camping blanket to sit on.
How clever of you girls to think of everything. Except... Oh, dear.
What's that noise?
It looks like we've missed the fireworks.
Aww.
What's that you got there, Max?
Wow, look how they light up the night. They are beautiful, Max.
What a show! As I've always said, fireflies are nature's own
Fireworks!